We have this 2019 991.2 and it's here for a pre-purchase inspection. However, here's why it's important when you're buying your Porsche to get the pre-purchase inspection done, because the stuff that we find in these cars can save you a bunch of headache when you are needing to repair. So for example, I'm going to go over the problems we found. 2019 991.2, here's our current faults. Full system scan, and we have a P169F, transmission oil temperature sensor electrical fault. Okay, that's not good because that's a hard fault. Here we have the transmission temperature fault as well, engine control unit faulty memory. So the vehicle arrived with no fuel, so we're going to add some fuel and go on a test drive. It's over temp fault happened at 43,374 when the check controller fault memory was set in the PDK, and this actually is for temperature fault. If we go to the DME, right there, transmission temperature. Carrera, we're actually checking the spark plugs, and we're going to check the cylinders in a minute. It's interesting how the electrode is off center pretty significantly. So we're checking the cylinders on this Carrera. They're actually in pretty good shape. They're PTWA. Just looking over the body, we went ahead and washed it because it was pretty dirty. Just pretty scuffs on the paint. It's kind of normal wear throughout the bumper. The tail light, there's a crack right here, and so it's getting some moisture inside. Today's a rainy day, so it's definitely noticeable. Okay, so the body on this side is looking pretty decent. I mean, we have some scratches right here as well. Of course, our scuffs here, and then this used to have a rock guard here. We got just scratches here, rock chips just coming down to this side. I'm gonna lower in a minute, but the hood, the bumpers, the fenders, this whole side was repainted. Let's measure the paint. Came in really dirty, so we had to wash. Just bubbles here everywhere. So we're gonna 12. This is in mils. We got 37. Highest reading, 34th meter that it has been repainted. 15 here. 10. So it's got some body work on this side. Pretty obvious. Okay, so let's move down to our hood. I'll check that right quick. And, you know, you can definitely see some clear coat in this area. It was pretty heavy applied. 15. And then we're gonna go to the fender that is OEM. 4.7. That's where it's supposed to be. 5.5. 5.08. That's the difference. Some dents here on the roof, paint work on the right side, scratches all over. Right, so underneath, I mean, everything seems to be pretty intact. Dirt under here, and let's see what's under here. Everything just needs to be cleaned up. There's some damage here on the right side. This is a little loose here, and then of course we have our runs, a little some clear coat runs. Here's our cover removed, pretty dusty. Scan with the Porsche computer. Yeah, it needs filters. It needs a full service on this car. Sand marks on our rear glass. We have some cuts here in the paint during buffing process. Looks trim. It's been sprayed over. They just used the masking tape over, and here's what our seals look like. We got some primer here. So yeah, so this concludes our Porsche 991 pre-purchase inspection. So this will save a customer headache and time when you know everything about your car before you buy it, because it could cost you a significant amount if there are problems. So it's always a good idea to always do a pre-purchase inspection no matter what you're buying. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.